Now keeping that wrist spin, we did side to side already, and we did right in front of us, 1, 2. Okay. Now we're also going to talk about how to do it in our X's. Okay. How to make our X's look more advanced. From here, you're going to spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Okay, all the way to the catch. Okay. Now as I do it, practice your X's. Do them real slow and do them big. You don't need to do them real close like that. Okay. Do them big, from side to side. Okay. From side to side. Now, the first spin is going to be when I come to the inside of my body. Okay, so when I come to here, it's going to spin inside. I'm going to catch. Now I have it upside down. Okay, now that I have it upside down, do a few X's with it upside down. And it's going to be a little easier too, especially when you're on the outside to the inside. You got that whip. Okay, for a cool hit. Now this time, instead of doing that whip across, as we come down inside, we're going to flip it back over the wrist. Okay, so again, spin X, flip over 1. Up and over 2. Okay, so get your X going from the outside to inside. You're going to flip it over. Now from inside to outside, go back 1. Now flip it back over 2. Okay, and then get it spinning. If you can do it every time, that means you're getting pretty good at it. 1, 2, get the hand up here by your face. Protect the face. There we go. And that's going to be your X's, adding your wrist spin. Let's put it all together. 1, 2, side, side, catch. L strike, cross, 1, 2, side, side, catch. All right, go and give that a try.